loves, welcome back. So today I am coming to you with another video, and today's video will be a start to finish tutorial on how I did this braided style on my lace wig. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I created this look, then definitely keep watching this video. So the hair that the wig that I will be wearing in this video and showing you how I created a simple style is from the company MsLynn hair. I have their 20-inch 360 deep wave lace wig. So this is exactly how the wig looks straight out of the box. This is how the wig looks. Like I said, it is their deep wave 360 wig. I love the curl pattern on this wig. The wig in the inside, it does come with, I think, about 4 combs. So it's 2 combs on the sides, 1 at the top, and then 1 in the back. And then it also does come with adjustable straps in the back as well. The lace color looks sort of like a dark brown color, but I'm not complaining. It does looks really nice. When I was kind of flipping or playing with the wig, I did notice that some type of dye color came off on my hands. I'm not for sure exactly where that's coming from, but as you guys can kind of see, it's sort of on the combs as well as the adjustable straps. So if you do get this wig, kind of, you know, look out for dye rubbing off on your hands. But I think, like, if you go in and wash the wig, it wouldn't bleed onto your hand. Now, this is how the hairline looks on the 360 wig. I think it's pretty good. Coming straight out of the box, the hairline on the front, the sides, and the back looks really nice. But you know me, I always go in and pluck some more hairs out for a more natural hairline. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do after I pluck the hairline is I'm going to part the section where I will be doing a braided style. Now, you guys, if you no, I do not bleach my knots anymore. I do use the Sally Hansen airbrush spray. If you guys are interested to see exactly how I hide the knots on my lace wigs, you guys, I already have a video up, and I will try to put the video link either down below in the description section or up above in this video. So I am using a rat tail comb, and I'm kind of like parting off the section sort of in a half of a V shape, sort of, because I want like the front of the hair to kind of come at an angle, and so it'll kind of be like sort of like a C shape, that the part that I'm making on both sides of the section. So after I parted off the section, the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is use some a spray bottle with some water, just to kind of like tame the hair and make sure that it's not in the way when I do go in and start to braid. Now, I will be parting the hair in the middle, and I'm going to part off a small section that I'm going to do a regular cornrow or a braid straight down the middle. Now, to make sure that that braid looks nice and neat, I will be going in with some edge tamer. And as you guys know, I love this edge tamer. It is the First Touchdown edge tamer. I have all 3 of them. If you guys are interested in the First Touchdown edge tamer, you can find it at your local beauty supply store, or I know you could probably find it online as well. But I'm going in with the edge tamer. I believe it is the I believe it's the Maximum Touch. It's the orange container. So I'm going in, I'm placing a little bit of the edge tamer at the front of the braid, and then I will go in and start braiding the hair down. So after I braid the middle braid down, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. It's just a regular black rubber band, and after I do that, I'm going to section off 2 braids on each side. So I'm doing the first braid, and I'm just going back in with my edge tamer, applying it to the very front of the braid, and then I'm going to braid it towards the back of the wig, and I'm just stopping right where the end of my section is. So I did that to both sides. Now after I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is go in and do my stitch braiding. And I'm doing the stitch braiding with using rubber bands. I think it's like the neatest way to do it and the easiest way if you're not for sure exactly on how to do stitch braiding. So just make sure that you're parting off small sections. And I'm using my rat tail comb. I actually did go in and use my 2-in-1 edge brush and comb. I felt that it would be better because like the comb that's on that tool, it gets right in where that part is going to look super straight. So I did go in and do that, and I'm just going to section off small section, and I'm going to be using a rubber band to secure each section. So I basically did this step on both sides. As you guys can see, this is like the final look after I sectioned off the hair into small section and then secure it with the rubber band. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a regular French braid towards the back. Now the way that I did the French braid is I parted off the very front section, and I parted it off into 3, and then I'm going to be parting off each section where the rubber band is into 2 sections, and I'm just braiding, making sure that I try to cover up the rubber bands with the hair. I hope you guys kind of understand that. If not, then definitely, you know, watch closely as I go in and start to French braid that stitch braid down. So after I created my 3 braids as well as my stitch braids, what I'm going to do is go in and create a couple of baby hairs in the front. And I am going back in with the First Touchdown Edge Tamer, and I'm using my edge brush and comb and just kind of swooping those baby hairs in front. And I think I kind of did go in with a little bit of the Nairobi foam setting mousse or spray. I'll show you guys up close what product that I am using. So this is basically the final look of how my braided style looks on my 360 wig. Now I'm going to do the next thing I'm going to do is go in and install the wig onto my head. So with me installing the wig, I did go in and use all the combs. I used like the 2 combs on the side. I kind of like pushed it back, and then I placed the comb in the back where it's supposed to be at. And I will be going in with some Got To Be gel just to lay down the front of the hairline on the wig. And I'm just going to create a couple of more baby hairs in the front, and then I did go in with some water and a little bit of Aussie moisturizing conditioner. I mixed it up in a spray bottle, and I'm just going ahead and spraying that onto the hair just to define the curls. And these curls are amazing, you guys. I love the curls in this wig. It looks so natural looking. As far as this wig goes, I really did not have any issues with this wig whatsoever. I really didn't experience any type of tangling, no shedding. I love the density on this wig. It looks super natural. You guys will see later on in the video, I do put this wig in a ponytail, and it looks amazing, you guys. So if you are interested in MsLynn 360 deep wave wig, I will give you all the information down below in the description section. Just continue to go ahead and watch the video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I have a lot of tutorials that you guys can learn from. So make sure you click the subscribe button up at the top, and then also follow me on Instagram at @I am_Shay Amour. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.